In today's video, we are going to cover how to cancel a subscription at period end in Stripe. Begin in your Stripe dashboard and look to the navigation area for customers. Open that section to view the list of customer records connected to your account. From here, select the customer whose subscription you want to cancel. If the customer has more than one active or past subscription, take a moment to make sure you are opening the correct customer profile before moving forward. Once you are inside the customer record, scroll to the subscriptions area. This section shows the subscriptions associated with that customer, along with their current status and billing details. Find the subscription you want to update, then look for the three-dot menu beside it. Click that menu to open the available actions for that subscription. From the menu, choose Cancel Subscription. This opens the cancellation window, where Stripe asks how you want the cancellation to be handled. At this point, the key setting is the timing of the cancellation. Instead of ending the subscription immediately, select End of the current period. This tells Stripe to keep the subscription active until the customer reaches the end of the billing cycle that has already been set, and then stop it from renewing after that. After selecting End of the current period, move to the refund options in the same window. Stripe may present several choices here depending on the subscription and billing state. Choose the option that fits your situation, such as no refund if you do not want to return any payment as part of the cancellation. Be sure to review this part carefully, since it affects how the final billing outcome is handled for that customer. With the cancellation timing and refund option selected, click Cancel Subscription to confirm. Stripe will then save that update to the subscription. The subscription will remain active through the current billing period, but it will be marked so that it does not renew when that period ends. If you return to the subscription details after confirming, you should see that the subscription is set to end at the close of the current period rather than being removed right away. That is the setting you want when the goal is to allow access to continue until the paid term expires while preventing the next charge from going through. The subscription is now set to cancel at the end of the current billing period in Stripe.